Good morning. I'm going to show you my favorite ways that I prepare Infinit's MUD. Right now my favorite blend is the peppermint mocha, and I have lots of it because I stored it up a whole lot at Christmas. I have two ways that I make it. I make it extra strong when I'm going for my swim workout because I have to drive 75 minutes right now to get to the pool during the off season. So I start out with 8 ounces of unsweetened almond milk, 4 ounces of chocolate protein shake, a scoop of the Infinit MUD, and then 8 ounces of hot coffee. On days that I skip the coffee, I will use stevia drops, and that just gives the Infinit a little bit different flavor when I'm not using the peppermint mocha blend or things like the dark chocolate, because through the year we have different flavors of the MUD that come out. But MUD is definitely one of my favorite meal replacements, especially when I'm going out to the swim and don't have any type of additional nutrition that I have with me. So that is my favorite way to use Infinit's MUD.